Hello and a warm welcome to the AI with Arun Show. In this video, we are exploring a groundbreaking shift in the Indian retail landscape, the Sachet AI revolution. India's economy is anchored by approximately 12 million Kirana stores. These micro enterprises facilitate the vast majority of household consumption but have historically remained on the digital periphery, meaning they're outside the digital transformation that has been happening. We are now seeing a new technological paradigm emerge, the Sachet AI, inspired by the 1980s consumer goods revolution that made premium shampoos accessible in low cost packets. This model brings high end AI to small scale retailers through affordable, modular, and consumption based prompts. In this video, we are going to see how this frugal AI is unlocking $500 billion in economic value by bridging the digital divide for the backbone of India. To understand Sachet AI, we have to look back at the late 1970s. Before the sachet revolution, products like shampoo were sold in large bottles, 50 to 500 grams, which were just too expensive for the average Indian household. Entrepreneur Chinni Krishnan identified this niche, selling high quality products in miniature packets. Fast forward to today. We are applying that same exact logic to the tech sector. A subscription to ChatGPT Plus costs nearly 2000 rupees, a prohibitive amount for a shopkeeper earning 25,000 rupees a month. Sachet AI disrupts this by offering micro users AI tools for low one time fees. We are moving from bulk software to fractionalized intelligence, making premium technology accessible to the price sensitive retailer. The economic imperative here is staggering. Currently, top tier AI services like ChatGPT Plus or Perplexity Pro cost about 1999 rupees a month. For a shopkeeper whose total monthly income is between 20,000 to 25,000 rupees a month, that is a massive overhead. Even the cheaper Go versions at 400 rupees are a stretch for thin margin businesses. The Sachet AI model flips the script. Instead of a recurring commitment, a user might pay just 15 rupees to have an AI parse their daily ledger, or 1 rupee per minute for a voice interaction. This pay as you go model approach lowers the barrier to entry by over 99%, allowing for rapid adoption without financial risk. It's the ultimate democratization of high end compute. Now, what does this mean for the daily operation of a Kirana? This data shows a massive leap in efficiency. Traditional manual tracking often leads to capital being tied up in slow moving stock, or conversely, losing sales due to stockouts. Tech enabled AI stores see a 22% reduction in inventory costs and up to 40% fewer stockouts through the predictive analytics. Furthermore, by using AI for personalized WhatsApp outreach, engagement boosts by 60%. These are not just marginal gains, they are survival metrics. In a world where dark stores and quick commerce apps offer deep discounts, the local shop's resilience depends on using these same predictive tools to optimize their razor thin 10% margin and maintain the last mile advantage. A critical insight for the Indian market is the value gap between data availability and app adoption. While many companies try to force new apps onto shopkeepers, they often fail. Why? Because only 12% of Kirana owners are comfortable with specialized retail apps. However, 97% of them are active on WhatsApp every single day. The successful Sachet AI providers have adopted a zero app strategy. They build AI bots right into WhatsApp. The shopkeeper does not need to learn a new UI. They just send a voice note saying, "Milk 10 packets sold to Ramesh on credit," and the AI updates their digital ledger automatically. By removing the friction of downloads and logins, we are meeting the entrepreneur in their natural digital habitat. The technology powering this revolution is uniquely Indian. While Western models focus on massive foundational datasets, Indian startups like Sarvam AI and Gnani AI are building sovereign AI. This means the systems that understand local regulations, data privacy, and most importantly, linguistic nuances. Most shopkeepers speak a mix of English and regional languages, what we call code switching. These Indic LLMs are trained specifically to handle English, Tamil English, voice commands. Furthermore, reliability is key. The ARIA agent orchestration stack ensures that when an AI handles a financial task, it's not just a guess, it's a coordinated workflow that is 5 times more accurate than generic agents, all at a fraction of the cost. Bookkeeping is perhaps the most laborious task for any shopkeeper. It's often done in physical, what we call bahi ledgers, late at night. Sachet AI transforms this through photo to tally magic. Using tools like Pillu AI, which was recently launched by the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, a shopkeeper can generate a bill just by speaking 1 kilogram, half kilo dal, and the invoice is ready. Beyond billing, the automation of GST compliance is a game changer. AI now categorizes rates with 98% accuracy, reducing the time spent on tax preparation from 12 hours a month to just 45 minutes. Now, this is not just about saving time, it's about removing the fear and the complexity of formal financial management. So, how does a small shop know what to stock? Traditionally, it was intuition. Now, it's data synthesis. Sachet AI utilizes weak signals from multiple sources. For example, researchers are using ISRO's Resource Sat satellite to track local traffic patterns combined with social sentiment like a specific recipe video trending on YouTube before a festival. If the AI sees that everyone is looking for holy recipes, it alerts the Kirana owner to stock up on specific colors and snacks before the rush hits. This hyperlocal pin code level forecasting ensures that capital is not tied up in the wrong items. Coupled with 24-hour digital procurement, the shopkeeper can rotate their cash much faster than waiting for a weekly distributor visit. Now let's look at the actual menu of options for a business owner. This is a radical departure from traditional software licensing. We have tiered sachet pricing. A per task sachet might cost 15 rupees for a one-off revenue calculation. A voice minute rate pioneered by Sarvam costs just 1 rupee per minute for AI-driven customer calls. For those who want more consistency, micro subscription for GST filing range between 5,000 and 9,000 rupees a year. Even the training is fractionalized. AI readiness workshops for as little as 999 rupees. This allows a business to start small, prove the ROI, and scale up without the fear of technology or a massive upfront investment. It's truly frugal AI engineered for macro impact. To conclude, the future of the Kirana store lies in the synthesis of community based service and data driven intelligence. Over the next 5 years, we expect a more autonomous operations where inventory, self managers, and AI co pilots handle the bulk of administration. By converging AI with public digital infrastructure like UPI and ONDC, these 12 million stores can participate in the global economy while remaining fundamentally local. India's DeepSeek moment is not about beating the US or the China at massive compute. It's about embedding intelligence into the morning routine of a shopkeeper in a remote town. The Sachet AI revolution is the engineering of this impact, ensuring a growth pathway that is both more competitive and more socially sustainable. With that, we come to the end of the show. Thank you so much for watching. Please support our work by joining us as a member. And we sincerely hope that you will like, share, and subscribe to the AI with Arun show. I'll see you in the next video.